How to add clickable links in Instagram Reels. Hello everybody. In order to do so, you may follow up these simple steps. So for that, you may open up your Instagram application and go on with the normal process of how you usually post a reel. For that, from your home screen, you can tap on the plus icon in the bottom. Just go ahead and tap on it and select up a video that you would like to post on a reel. And once that is done, in order to add up a link, you should be finding a text icon right under the music, right beside music section. Go ahead and tap on it. Once tapped on it, you may just go ahead and paste the link right here like this and click on done and place it wherever you want in the part of the video. After that, click on next. And then after that is done, you may click on share, or before sharing, you can also paste it in caption for more easier access like this and click on share. Once that is done, just go ahead and share it on your Instagram. It may take a minute or two for it to be posted. And then once it is posted, you should be finding it like this. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.